In this video, I'm going to show you how to carry out a factory reset on a B&G MFD, in this case, the Zeus3S. Now, there are a few ways that we can do this. First of all, if the machine is powered on, we can navigate through the menus, either the Pages key here on the keypad or on the screen. And then we go into our settings and restore defaults. Here we have a full list of functions that can be reset. We simply select the ones that we want and then press OK to carry out the reset. Alternatively, if we start with the machine powered off, as a precaution, we might like to just remove any chart card we have in there. Now we've got two options. We can either press and hold the Pages key and then turn on the power, and that will do what we call a soft reset. So it will reset all the settings of the machine without touching our waypoints, routes and tracks database. Alternatively, you can hold in the tick and the cross and then press the power key as we normally would to turn it on. Just keep those held in for a few seconds and we hear some beeps to tell us the reset has happened. Release those keys and let the machine power up. This might take a little bit longer than normal. When it does power up, we'll be presented with the option to select our language, and this tells us that the machine has been reset back to its defaults exactly as it was out of the box for the first time. And there we have it.